Good morning students. Today I am going to demonstrate the experiment whose aim is to find the refractive index of water using convex lens and plane mirror. Now apparatus required. This is convex lens. This is convex lens. This is plane mirror. This is pin holder and this is pin, paper pin. So it behaves as a object. This is wooden vertical stand, and in other words it also called the clamp. We will do this experiment in two parts. First part, I will do this experiment. The convex mirror is kept on the plane surface without water. So we adjust the image, how to find out the image. So this object needle moves up and downward direction when the image is formed like this position. This is object pin. When image formed like this position, so this is the exact reading. So we adjust here. This is now image is formed. So you see the image of this object. Now we note down the reading in observation table. So this is plane mirror. The distance of the object from the plane mirror, it is denoted by B. So the position of this needle from the plane mirror, that is 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter, and the thickness of this convex lens will be 0.5 will be the thickness of lens will be 0.5 centimeter. So this 0.5 centimeter will be subtracted from surface of plane mirror. So it will be the reading of object from the upper surface of the lens. So it will be 11.5 centimeter. Now calculate the value of FG. This FG equal to A is 11.5 plus B is 12 upon 2. This is equal to 23.5. So this is equal by 2. This is equal to 11.7 something. Okay. Now you see the second part. When the convex lens is kept on the plane surface over the water. Now to find the focal length of this lens, when this lens is kept on the surface of glass slab, plane mirror, when the water is kept here, it means the lens is kept on the water surface. So first we adjust the reading when the image is formed. When the image is formed like this position, this is object pin, this is object, and when image formed of this object like this position, so this will be fact reading. So we adjust here. Now you see the image when the lens is kept on the surface of water. Now we note down the reading in observation table. In case when the lens is kept on the surface of water, that is the water is between lens and plane mirror. So the distance of this object from the plane mirror is about 15 centimeter. So here we can write down 15.0 centimeter. And already you know that the thickness of this lens will be 0.5 centimeter. 0.5. So this 0.5 centimeter will be subtract from 15.0. So this is equal to 14.5 centimeter. This 14.5 centimeter will be the distance of object from the upper surface of the lens. Now here we calculate the value of f. So this is b dash, this is a dash. So f equal to a dash plus b dash by 2. This is equal to a dash is 14.5 plus b dash is 15 upon 2. This is 29.5 by 2. This is equal to 14.7, near about 14.7 centimeter. Now how to calculate the refractive index of water? Using formula, the refractive index of water n equal to 2 minus fg upon f, where n is the refractive index, fg focus of this lens without water, capital F, where fg is focus of this convex lens without water, and capital F the focus of lens with water. Now we put the value of this fg and f here. So 2 minus fg is 11.7 upon f equal to 14.7. This is 14.7. This is equal to 29.5 minus 11.7 upon 14.7. This is equal to 15 minus 7, 0.8. This is 0.8. 8 minus 1, 7, and 2 minus 1, 1. 17.8 upon 14.7. This is equal to 178 upon 147. When you will divide this, you will get the value of n equal to 1.43. Hope you understood the video. Thank you.